Hello, 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 hello. This is Jacqueline Price coming into you with another quick video. Yes, I want to show you today how some features of this amazing tool that I found, Social Prospector Pro. And guys, this tool is amazing. First, just a little bit about myself. I am an entrepreneur, full-time work from home. And of course, we always need tools in order to help us to automate our business. So as you can see now, it's loading up my friends on Facebook. It's loading them up. And so that's amazing. I've already logged into the tool, Social Prospector Pro. And I'm just going to show you some of the features. How you can um, organically get leads and traffic to your Facebook page so that you will have leads and traffic to send to your website. Because at the end of the day, if we don't have traffic and eyeballs on your business, then you really don't have a business. So you must have traffic, you must have eyeballs on your business so that you can, more eyeballs means more sales, more leads. Those leads can turn into sales. I hope that you're having an amazing day. Before we get started, please like the video. Please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, I appreciate you guys for subscribing and for coming to my channel to get amazing content. Go ahead and hit the little bell so that you won't miss any videos that I upload. So that's going to help you with your business, going to help you earn money. It's going to put dollars into your bank account. So as you can see, it says it's loading my friends list. So let me show you some of the features taken while that's loading up. So here, right here, you can inactive friends, the people you can remove those people from your friends list because that's like dead weight that hurts your algorithm with Facebook. And so you don't want to have people who are inactive on your page, who are not interacting with your post, who are not interested in what you have to offer. If they're not interested, then you don't need them on your page. If they're just sitting there and they're not engaging. The friender is where you can actually go in and add friends to your page. And that's what I'm going to show you today as to how you can target certain people for your particular niche. Member friender, you can also go into groups and add different people that you want. You can invite them to your page as well. We have the mass messenger. You send out mass messages. Mass message remover, inactive organizer. It's the people who are inactive. You can organize that and delete some and keep some. It's totally up to you. Group inviter, you can invite people to groups to your page. Deactivated profiles, that's one of the first things you want to do when you click the link. The link is going to be down below. When you buy this tool, there's a free trial that you can start with to try it out. Deactivated profile, you want to make sure you get rid of those because those are just people who have they're not on Facebook anymore. They're just taking up space. Your Facebook page is your money. That's where you make your money. And so if you're an entrepreneur and you earn money on Facebook, then you want to make sure you get rid of these deactivated profiles. Extra, we'll go into that a little bit later. So it's still loading up, but today I wanted to talk to you about I want to show you how to get leads to your page organically by amazing tool, using this amazing tool right here. So it's still loading the friends. And that's what it does, guys. It's whenever you log in to this tool, it's going to load up all of your Facebook friends so that then you can go on the side here and do whatever it is you need to do. If you need to delete inactive people, you can do that. If you need to remove the deactivated profiles, you can do that as well. So here it's still loading. The friends are still loading. I didn't realize it was going to take this long. I guess I could have had them loaded already, but that's okay. It's okay. So that's 3732, still loading. But yeah, I'm going to show you how easy it is to get friends to your page who are actually interested in what you have to offer. For instance, if you sell, I'm just saying hypothetically, if your business, if you were in the business of selling dog food, then you would want to get on your page, you would want to have a profile full of people who love dogs, right? So, and then you can advertise to them. You be friends with them, get to know them, you know what I'm saying? And then you advertise your amazing dog food to them. So that's how, that's how it works. Let's see if it's done yet. Okay, let's see here. Post friender. I think it may be done. Okay, there it is. Whenever it makes that noise, that's when it's done. Sorry, guys, I got a little ahead of myself. Okay, so this little video, you can watch that. It will show you exactly what to do. And then here you can only you can, if you like, only request people in the USA. You can do that. But today, I'm just going to show you how this works. So let's say, as the example, um, you want to add people, post friender. So if you want to add friends to your Facebook list, what you're going to do is you're going to come in here, and whenever it starts blinking, see like these people here, she's got 48, 49. You can add those people. You just click it whenever it starts blinking, and then it'll load up for you. And that's how you can add friends to your Facebook page. It's a little slow. Okay, yeah. And then all you'd have to do, like here it says click start to begin. All you do is you go up here and you click start, and it's going to begin to load up friends. I'm not going to do that right now because I want to show you something else. See if I can come out of here. Push stop. Okay. Close this one. And let's see. We're going to go with member friender. So this one is let's see. Is that the one I want? No, that's not the one that I want. I think it's post friender. Post friender is it? Yeah. I'm sorry, guys. Post friender. We have so many amazing features that this is how it works. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type in here. We're looking for dog lovers. Let's see what comes up. It's kind of slow. Okay, so here, look at this. Oops, message. Sorry, guys, it's kind of slow. But this group right here, so see this group? It has 138,000 members of people who, as you can see, they love dogs. So this is a group that you could join, and then you would go down on one of their posts, and then you would add the people. So let's look at a post. See, like this post right here. If I wanted to add, some of these people, I could click right here, and this would show me how it's about going and getting the people, whatever market that you're in. If you find out where your people are who want what you have, and then you go and you bring those people to your Facebook page. And so that's how, you get leads to your page. Okay. So let's close this one up. And then I want to show you the heart lover feature, where it'll just go down and it will give love on the post. This is an amazing feature. You can also add comments. I'm not going to add comments in it today, but that's a feature that you can also use, and you can add comments inside there. And all you would do is you would hit start, and it's going to scroll down 20. Then it's going to come back, and then it's going to heart all those posts that that come up. This tool is amazing, guys. There is it's a 3-day trial where you can try it out pretty much for free. But I'm a firm believer that once you try it, you're going to see that this tool is the best thing since sliced bread, because it's absolutely amazing. You're going to be able to do so many things with this tool. It's going to help you in your business. It's going to help you to be able to um, put things on automation, so that you don't have to do this stuff like singly. You can just automate it, and it helps it, really quick. See here, it's showing love on the post, 5 out of 36. So it's going to do 36 posts, and I'm not going to let it go all the way through, but it's going to do 36 posts. It's going to show love, and that helps your Facebook, it helps with the Facebook algorithm when you're engaging and your heart and post and everything like that. So it just helps, people to see your content that you put out on your Facebook page. That's exactly what it helps. Okay. And so I just wanted to be able to show you, how you can use the post friender to bring specific leads. You can target leads and bring them to your page, and then you can market to your leads, and then that turns into sales. So I wanted just to show you how to go get the people that you need. This is an organic way to get free traffic to your page, and that's what we're doing today. And so this again has been Jackie Price, coming to you live with another quick video. I hope you found some value. Be sure to click the button down below and get this tool, so that you can automate the things that you do on Facebook, and so that you can also bring amazing content on your page. You put that out, and then you also share your content with the people, and then you have your leads are going to see your content, and that is going to turn into sales for you. Okay, so guys, this is going to be it, and I'm out. And I appreciate you for coming by and visiting on my video to learn about the leads.